So this, I imagine, is going to be a short retro unboxing. Yeah. This is the worst graphics card ever made. I believe it's considered the worst graphics card ever made. The GT210. This is the MSI version. This card is just, I don't even remember why it was the worst version. Budget Builds did a video on it a long time ago. I should rewatch it. This is the low profile version, obviously. Let's start off here. There's really nothing interesting on the front, just, you know, design, giving you the basic things saying like, oh, memory size, PCIe gen, and then DirectX. Just some random stuff. Low profile bracket included. Brackets may vary per model. Okay. On the back, on the sides, there's just nothing. It's just this. This is going to be very short, I feel. On the bottom, it's nothing special here, too. Just the same information that's plastered everywhere. On top, though, we have code. I don't know. I'm guessing this is maybe a code from, I don't know. On the back is where we really get into what's going on here. Features. Second generation NVIDIA unified architecture. So this was CUDA, second gen CUDA. Yeah, NVIDIA CUDA technology. So this was, no, CUDA's the cores, my bad. So what architecture was this? Does it tell me? Unified architecture. Was there? It does not tell me. Okay. So second generation NVIDIA unified architecture. NVIDIA CUDA tech. I'm going to look it up. This is going to bother me. Tech power up. Databases, GPU, GT210. I'm sorry. What? 210? I thought it was called the oh, maybe it's just called the GeForce 210? What architecture were you on? Tesla 2.0. Okay. So this came out after the 9 series. Okay. Interesting. Had CUDA cores, which we still use to this day. CUDA is, I'm sure they're actually going to move on from CUDA eventually. No, wait, they have moved on from CUDA. No, wait. Tensor cores, RT core. Yeah, I don't think we have CUDA cores anymore, do we? I don't remember. Man, too much stuff for me to remember. OpenCL support. DX Compute support. Microsoft Windows 8 support. How was this card made in 2009, but Windows 8 came out in 2012? I have gotten my information mixed up somewhere. That's for sure. NVIDIA Pure Video HD technology, high definition 1080p display support, dual link DVI, nice, and digital port output. HDMI 1.3A support. I think 1.3A was actually terrible if I recall. Dual link HDCP capable. PCIe Express 2.0 support. This card would be better. Oh, well, we'll get into that, actually. Microsoft DirectX 10.1 support. Shader model 4.1 support. OpenGL 3.1 support. Okay. Very unremarkable at the moment. Nothing jumping out at me. MSI Afterburner. Oh. Sorry, I'm tired. When you get up at 5:30 every morning for work, it tends to wear on you. MSI, so it's just talking about MSI Afterburner. We all know what MSI Afterburner is. If you do not know what MSI Afterburner is, it is an MSI's overclocking utility that they use for their graphics cards, and you can use for other graphics cards. It's actually quite liked in the community, typically. So it's using solid cap capacitors. I don't know why that would be a talking point. 10 years ultra long lifetime, lower temperature, extreme low ECR, which is electrostatic repulse or something. Radio, something like that. Higher efficiency. So 10 years lifetime under full load, you can get 112,468 hours of gaming, or 12 years. I don't know why they had to include that. At 70 degrees, you get 12 years out of it. I didn't even know this card could hit 70 degrees. It's such a low power card. I don't imagine this would hit 70 degrees unless you put it in a really bad case and just cooked it. Office use, you get 40 years at 60°C out of office use. Why does the temperature have to be lower for you to get more usage out of it for office? Why can't it be the same temperature as gaming? Ooh, my thumb up. Sorry, if you don't know, I hurt my thumb at work. Messed it up again. I popped it forward. Give me a moment. Oh, fudge, man. Bent it a weird way. God, that hurt. Okay, we're gonna move on. 355,655 hours for office, or 40 years of a lifetime. Well, spoiler alert, I guess that didn't matter because this card is dead. I tested this card and it was dead and they didn't want it back. And I was like, okay, fine. That's great. I can still make a video on it then. Minimum system requirements. Let's go. Wait, what? Oh, MSI Afterburner was talking about its features. DirectX 11 effect test, multi-GPU, support real-time video capturing. I didn't know that. Interesting. Wirelessly controlled by Android and iOS handheld devices. Oh, that's cool. Interesting. Alright, minimum system requirements. PCI Express or PCI Express 2.0 compliant. You know your card is not great when you can plug it into PCI Express, that is a talking point that for minimum requirements that you need at minimum PCI Express on a Windows 8 supported GPU. What? I know I'm probably just sounding like an idiot, but whatever. On a motherboard with 1x16 slot. Minimum 350 or greater power supply with a minimum 12 volt current rating of 18 amps. You could probably go a lot lower than that. These cards don't draw anything. Product specifications. GeForce 210. Memory size. 1 gig of DDR3. It's not even GDDR3. It's just DDR3. Memory bus. 64-bit memory bus. That's bad, man. It's not good. Output HDMI, DL, DVI-I, DVI sub. DVI dual. Oh, well, maybe that 250 was, I must have got the DVIs mixed up. I like how they're marketing Norton, the virus software. The joke is that Norton is an antivirus software, but they're so bad that they might as well be a virus software. PCI Express. Powered by NVIDIA GeForce 200 series, unified architecture with gigathread technology, NVIDIA quantum effects, physics, processing, technology. Okay. Huh, okay. Alright, really nothing else remarkable. Open it. So this one did not come with anything, really. It came with a low profile bracket, but who cares about that? It came with the user guide, which I always like looking into these. Why? It's another open up one. Why do I have 2 brackets? If you want to just run VGA as a low profile, ugh. I mean, I guess. I shouldn't rack on it. Never mind, I'm stupid. I won't. Warranty conditions. This is a very oh, I can't bend that thumb very well. I hate these. Just give me a book, man. Package requirement. Package contents. System requirements. Auxiliary tools. Okay, you know, only a few of these pictures I can understand. You could provide some text saying what the heck that is. That's obviously a monitor. Is that supposed to be the booklet? I'm guessing. A little bit more context would be nice. I wish I had that graphics card. I'd much rather have that one than this one. What's their directions like? Are they good? Hey, you know what? Fair enough. The installation media is honestly not that bad. Hold on. It's honestly not that bad. Sorry, that was probably a terrible way of showing it. I'm going to be throwing all this away anyways. If anybody does want this box, by the way, speak now or forever hold your peace, because I'll hold on to it for a little bit, and then I'm going to get rid of it. Oh geez. How do you even put this back together? Like this? Am I doing it right? I did. I did it, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, I did it. Okay. So yeah, if you guys want this box, and I should have mentioned in the HIS video, if they want, like, nobody wants that box, never mind. But if anybody wants this box, I will gladly send it to you. I would just simply ask that you pay the shipping. I'll make sure to do it dirt cheap, and I'll put the box in something, don't worry. And I can probably... That was probably a price tag at one point. That's it, really. Let me show you the card. I typically keep those boxes for a week, and then I throw them out, so you guys, if anybody wants to get on that quick. Yeah. Just a really unremarkable card. Unfortunate. Whatever. I might give it another test. Sometimes when I test things, they don't always work right. And then when I test them again, it turns out fine. I never even tested the UV on the... I just realized. We're derailing this video. It's getting derailed. We need to know. I need to know. It is UV reactive. Not crazily. That's cool. Okay. Anyways, video over.